Hey guys, so today I have decided, I've seen in the store, I was in Walmart, I saw this at Walmart, so I was like, I think everybody loves Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I was like, what a good idea to try it out for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing just that. I'm going to go ahead and just use this cake. So it looks like that it does, let it focus. It actually has a cake. I'm gonna have to locate that cake because I didn't see that in the store. But I was so anxious because I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I'm just gonna do it with a yellow cake. And I just have everything here that I need for the cake: the eggs, the water and oil, and in my bowl. So that's it, that's all, and let's get started. Alright guys, so the cake is out of the oven. It's still cooling down just a tad bit, but I'm excited to go ahead and get this bad mama jamma on. Look at that. Cinnamon Toast Crunch made with Cinnadust Frosting. Let's see. Alright guys, there you have it. Cinnamon dust cake. And I'm gonna tell you, it smells really good. I didn't frost this part here. I usually don't sometimes, but I just did that part. But it smells really good. It's pretty thick for the kids to enjoy. And I'm gonna cut a piece so you guys can see. Alright guys, this is what we have left, and I'm going to let you guys know how it tastes. For me, it kind of tastes like a Cinnabon. It tastes like a Cinnabon, but it's pretty good actually, so you and your children will love it. Give it a try. It's really good.
What was that?
Alright guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.
Bye.